Sick of this other bunch of creepy broke with the mystic style. Smoking on whatever, been a junkie since I was a child. Every time I think of death, I start to go and crack a smile. Never gave no fuck about this life, and that's me keeping it mild. Killer gorilla maniac with the ashes on my blunt. The police keep piling where they at. Bury them in front of lawn. The scarecrow with silent weapons. I pull the trigger and disperse the bodies. Get dumped in acid so they have no need of a hearse.
Looking out the window like I'm staring at the television. Smoking just to pass the time. Slick it out and cries for risen. Listen to the sixes and tippy crucifixes. Missing pieces in my wrist. It seems I'm sleeping chest being seasoned. Riding in the Cadillac, red cataract, long black and chapped. Should've been the captain of the ashes, black and the passion. Getting cat out, bitch.